Unlock the AI revolution. Invest in AI Money School, Inc. Are you ready to ride the wave of the future? AI is transforming everything, and AI Money School, Inc. is leading the charge in AI education. Don't miss out on this groundbreaking opportunity. I'm Yadi Isma Binti Badarudin, CEO of AI Money School, Inc. I'm an entrepreneur, author, and publisher with a passion for AI, technology, and empowering others. I've written over 10 books on AI, entrepreneurship, and personal development, all available on Amazon. My mission is to democratize AI, making its power accessible to everyone, not just corporations. That's why I created AI Money School, Inc., a global movement to teach people how to use AI, monetize it, and secure funding for AI projects. The global EdTech market is projected to explode to $1 trillion by 2030. AI Money School, Inc. is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this growth, providing scalable, AI-driven education solutions worldwide. This isn't just an opportunity, it's a revolution in how we learn and earn. Why is AI Money School so vital? Because knowledge is power, and AI knowledge is the key to unlocking financial freedom in the 21st century. We're bridging the AI knowledge gap, empowering financial independence, fueling AI startups, and building a global AI community. We're seeking USD $750,000 to develop our groundbreaking AI education platform. As an investor, you're not just funding education, you're unlocking a global AI economy. This is your chance to be at the forefront of innovation. Investing in AI Money School means equity in a high-growth AI EdTech startup. You'll gain early access to AI business tools and training, plus exclusive partnership and branding opportunities. You'll also receive global recognition as an AI pioneer. The future of AI education is here, and the time to act is now. Don't just watch from the sidelines. Become a part of the AI Money School movement. Invest, learn, and transform lives. Let's build a future where AI works for everyone, everywhere. Support AI Money School on Indiegogo today. Visit our website at www.amoneyschool.co today. Thank you so much for your time and consideration. Visit our website at www.amoneyschool.co today.